friends, today we're making something that would be awesome for the Super Bowl, but also any backyard fiesta during the summer. We're gonna make homemade flour tortillas cooked in the Forno Venetzia. They are wonderful. Healthier because I use olive oil and I also use some whole grain flour in there. But the star of the show today is the queso fundido. Queso fundido means melted cheese. If you've ever had it, you know what I'm talking about. I am sure you remember. Queso fundido is wonderful. It's super easy to make and people just go crazy about it. First, we're gonna fire up our Forno Venezia oven. If it's winter like us, just do it slowly. In the bowl of your stand mixer or regular bowl, we're gonna start with all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. To your dry ingredient, you're gonna have hot water and olive oil. While you're kneading the dough, you're gonna take the fresh chorizo out of their casings. Into a cast iron pan. Here are the 2 cheeses we're using. Oaxaca cheese, Monterey Jack with pepper. We're gonna grate it in a large bowl. Here's your beautiful dough. You're gonna take it out of the bowl. Form the dough into one long log and divide it into 16 pieces. Roll each pieces into a ball. Cover with a damp cloth, which you can spray with water bottle or just make sure it's damp so that the balls don't dry up. For shaping your tortillas, you can either roll them out or use a tortilla press. Now you can cook your tortillas in the Forno Venezia, a few at a time. Once they're puffed and grilled, just make sure you put them either in a tortilla container or in aluminum foil so that they stay nice and moist. Cook your chorizo until it loses some of its fat. You can absorb the excess with a paper towel. Optional but delicious, add a shot of tequila, put it back in, let it reduce for about 30 seconds. Add all of your cheese, put it back in the oven, mix it regularly with a wooden spoon. Just when the cheese has started melting, it is perfect. Don't let it there too long, it will get chewy. Now just serve it in your wonderful freshly baked tortillas, top with pico de gallo, homemade preferably, and enjoy. And that, my friend, is the perfect queso fundido. Happy Super Bowl! Enjoy the party!